Hello people, in this video I made this automatic pie printing machine using Arduino that prints pie on your favorite cookies. To begin with, I will design the frame using Tinkercad and slice the model using Ultimaker Cura. And then with PLA filament, I will be printing the parts. Follow the settings to print the models. Now this part is ready to install the slider mechanism on the servo. Now for the electronics, we need Arduino Uno, Rotary Encoder, OLED module. To build the connection between the components, use this circuit diagram. After you build the circuit, upload this program. Find the links to code and circuit in the description box below. After everything is complete, you can test the circuit. You can still simplify the circuit using JLC PCB. Thank you for sponsoring this video. With JLC PCB, you can get high quality PCB with fast shipping at affordable rates. Check their 3D printing services too. They have launched JLC One application for both mobile and desktop application. With JLC One, you can manage your orders and other services in single application. Join now and avail cool offers using my sign up link in the description box below. Now back to the video. I will now install all these electronics on this piece of cardboard. Follow this setup to organize all the electronics. To use this project, all you have to do is connect Uno to power bank. Using Rotary Encoder, select the number of pi you want to see and then press OK on the Rotary Encoder itself. And when the dough is kept below, you can see the pi stamp on your dough. This was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.